So, what would change in your life if you started making $600 a day? Like, if you could learn the skills to make $600 a day, how would it change your life? And let me ask you another question. I can show you how to do this in a 2 hour workflow completely online, and you don't have to be tech savvy. Completely automated. And guess what? You can do this all on your phone. Completely automated. You don't have to be tech savvy. And let me ask you this. Doesn't it make sense to learn these skills in 2 hours a day, to learn the skills to be able to produce income online? So let's keep it real. There's a lot of uncertainty in the world, and we don't know which direction the world is going to decide to go. So we don't want to leave it up to the world. 2 hours a day, and you still have 22 hours a day to do the stuff that you love. And you don't even need to have a following. You don't even need to know anything. You can learn from beginner friendly the skills how to make daily pay. If that's something that you're interested in learning more about, put it ready in the comments and I would love to share it with you.